into this really, really big rock.
Okay, stop.
Watch your chains. Welcome back to Deliberate Lives. I'm Di. Another great sunny fall day, and you can see the behind me, the bracing is off of our 3 poles. Just took that off. We're now working on the 3 poles for the upper solar array. I'll move so the shadow's not on my face. For the upper shadow array, and I thought I'd show you a few things that I didn't talk about in the previous video. Like the fact that we use rebar in the bottom of the feet, the forms that we put at the bottom of our sonotubes. Okay, so this is our last hole, the last hole for the solar array up top, and we ran into this really, really big rock, and the excavator would get caught underneath, and it could not pull it out. So we're just leaving it. Hopefully everything will be fine. It should be. But yeah, big rock. Yep. So anyway, luckily we were able to get what we need out, I think. So, whew.
Hold. Okay, that's good.
Michael's working on getting the poles ready, and we've got the poles up here, the sonotubes in. There, and there. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, lower. Stop. Okay, up. Okay, hold on, let me look at this. I do not like how that is.
Want me to lower it?
Hold on.
And bind up?
It's kind of bound a little.
Do you want me to set it down?
Yeah, set it down. Drill gun. Okay, raise it up a little.
Okay. You might want to move your drill gun because it's going to get whacked. Okay.
I'll move it again in a sec. Okay, stop.
Watch your chains.
Hold on, stop. Oh, that's me.
Maybe hook it on something. Like the other hook or something. Ready to go up?
What?
If I raise it, you don't have to lift it.
Okay, raise it. Okay,
One more?
little more. Stop. Okay, ready to raise?
Yep.
Go. Stop. I think that's good. Raise it up. Just a little. Stop. Stop. Come down. Okay, back up. Back up. Back up. Stop. Come down. Stop. Back up. Back up. Okay, stop.
Swing that way a little.
No, I kind of like it.
ready to do concrete up here on top. Got our poles in the ground. Okay, we are done with the concrete on the top solar array poles. Yay! It's exhausting, but we're done. And in the news today, we love the mud mixer so much, we bought ourselves one. So now we've got it. Yay, I'm very excited about that. Another day of adventures is over. Thanks for watching. Remember, live life deliberately.